Hi, I'm Nicole Mahoney, and I'm an instructor at NAIT. Ironworkers fabricate and construct structural steel buildings, ornamental ironworks, erect precast panels, and install reinforcing steel and concrete structures. We build things out of iron and steel. Because of the diversity of our work, there's much to learn about safely moving steel as there is to actually constructing a large project. You'll learn to interpret in structural drawings, unload and stack steel, attach rigging, signal a crane operator, tie and place reinforcing steel, and to install heavy structural components like precast concrete panels. The Ironworker apprenticeship has 3 pathways: metal building system erector and reinforcing, which are 2 periods, while structural and ornamental is 3 periods of technical training. All require over 1,500 hours of on-the-job training and 6 weeks of technical training each year. NAIT's Ironworker program is committed to your success, and we look forward to seeing you soon.